Hi, my name is Mathi and I'm going to show a vinegar volcano experiment. So all I need is white vinegar and baking soda to make carbon dioxide, and if I want to make it more colorful, I can add food color or dishwashing soap. So let's get started with the experiment. I'm just going to add 1 scoop of baking soda. And then all I need to add is just add the few drops of dishwashing soap and the food color and the white vinegar. It's in this cup. Wow, this cup is very heavy. I think this is enough. Wait for it. See? The carbon dioxide is produce the gas so that it can make the volcano to burst out. As you can see, there's a warning for this that you need to clean this up a lot. So this is the end of my video. Bye.
And actually, you don't need a model of a volcano. You can just have. It's like easy to make your own paper volcano. You just need a bottle, and then you need to make your own volcano. And then you need to stick it around, and then you go a volcano. It's just a model like this. And maybe if you don't know, this green thing is kind of like the grass.